In this video, I'm going to teach you a crazy gem that you may not know, how to liquidate and take the cash off your business credit cards so that way you can deposit that money into your personal checking account, and how to do a balance transfer from a business credit card to a personal credit card. You're not going to want to miss this. This is a straight gem. Stay tuned. Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to build credit, how to leverage credit, and how to create wealth. So smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, and knock out that bell notification button, because I make videos daily. Matter of fact, 3 videos a day, and you don't want to miss it. If it's your first time on my channel, I just got to give you a massive shout out. You could watch any video on YouTube, and you chose to watch mine. I value your time. Time is the greatest asset that you have, and I promise not to waste it, give you all stuff and no fluff. And for all of you radical marketers out there blowing up the channel, we're quickly becoming the fastest growing financial YouTube channel on YouTube, and it's all because of you. So smash that like button right now, throw an emoji, throw a random comment, and let's get this video off to the YouTube world. All right, guys, in today's video, we are going to talk about how to liquidate your business credit cards. Take the cash off your business credit cards and deposit it into your personal checking account. Before I get into that, also, I forgot to mention that we have a private Facebook group with crazy gems in there dropping every single day. I mean, this Facebook group has thousands of people. There's no spam, no self-promotion. We all aim to help each other out. And it is probably the best, most valuable Facebook group on Facebook. Join it today. Link is in the bio. It's totally free, no spam allowed. And follow me on Instagram. Send me your credit question. I'd love to answer it for you. We're going to be doing a lot on Instagram, so you don't want to miss it. My Instagram is in the link in the description as well. All right, guys. Now let's talk about how to take the cash off your business credit cards and deposit it into your personal checking account. First, what you guys need to know is that business credit cards are going to be the best credit cards to liquidate for a couple reasons. Number one, you can max it out and it doesn't hurt your personal credit. Why? Because business credit cards work completely different than personal credit cards. I don't have time to get into all the things about business credit cards because that's not what this video is about. I have playlists on that. Binge watch my channel. You can literally get all the stuff that gurus are trying to sell you on my channel and in this private Facebook group. So make sure that you do that. But basically, business credit cards can have massive limits because why? They're meant for business. And what does business do? They spend money. There's a lot of cash flow that goes through businesses. So business credit cards are a great way to liquidate and get cash off of that for liquidity and for cash flow. Now, I'm going to tell you how I did it. I'm going to show you how to do it. So watch the entire video. I'm actually going to show you how to do it. And I'm going to tell you how I did it and how you can do it, okay? So first of all, you need to have every business, whether you're a sole proprietor, whether you're an LLC, whatever the case is, you need a business checking account, okay? You can do that through Bank of America. You can do that through Chase. You can do that through Wells Fargo. You can do that through your credit union, all right? Now, I recommend credit unions all the time. But in this scenario, I'm going to talk about a big bank. And this can apply right for Bank of America because I'm about to run this play with Bank of America as well, okay? But I'm going to talk about Wells Fargo, okay? I know they're not nice people. They're devils. I get it. I don't like them either, but they're working for me, and they're working really well for me, okay? So I opened a business checking account with Wells Fargo because I heard about business banking relationships with Wells Fargo. Now, if you open a business checking account with Wells Fargo, there has been a lot of data points, and I've had a lot of subscribers tell me that they've automatically been pre-approved for this card right here, which is the Wells Fargo Business Platinum credit card. Now, this credit card has limits up to $50,000, people, okay? And with this credit card, once you have this credit card, data points are even showing that you can get a business line of credit after you have this card very, very easily. Now, I opened up a business checking account. I didn't get this offer because I didn't know about that offer when I opened my business checking account. I started running money through my Wells Fargo account for 3 months, and then I applied for the business credit card. This was a hard pull from Experian, okay? And it was stated income, which means there was no proof of income. There was no tax returns. There was nothing that I had to provide for them whatsoever except for what does my business make? Now, part of what could have helped me is because I'm actually banking with them, so they gave me a larger limit to start with, okay? But you can actually, you can apply for this card without even having a checking account, but you're gonna have a lower limit from all the data points, whether it's Bank of America or Wells Fargo. So your best bet is to just get the checking account, do some banking for 3 months, put some money in there, let some cash flow start going in there, and then apply for the credit card. Now, here's another strategy for you too, because you know I'm dropping gems. Fourth quarter, all banks are trying to push cards out. They want great financials before the end of the year. It's been a tough year for everybody, so they're pushing cards like crazy. But I got this card, right? And this card came with 9 months of 0% interest and 0% balance transfer for 9 months. So almost an entire year, I get 0%, right? 9 months, time of a baby to be born, right? So somebody got pregnant and having a baby 9 months from now, that's when this card expires as far as 0%. But here you go. When I got this card, I actually requested balance transfer checks. Why? Okay. 0% for 9 months for convenience check. Consolidate balances and save. Take advantage of your new business card account. So basically, what did I do? I filled out one of these bad boy checks and I deposited it into my personal checking account. What did that do? Interest-free loan. I literally wrote a check to myself, deposited it through my online app, and I had the money 3 to 5 days after the hold went away. They hold the money, depending on your bank, when you deposit a mobile check. Some people are instant, some people are not, but this is quite a lot of money that I deposited into my personal checking account. So that is going to be the easiest way to liquidate this card. Now, you could do it many other ways. You can manufacture spend with it. I didn't want to do that. With this card, it was like a super minimal balance transfer fee. I forgot, it was 2% or 3% or whatever the case is. But I took that money right off this card and I got an interest-free loan. I didn't have to do a bank loan. I didn't have to do a personal loan. That's why these business credit cards are amazing. So what did I just do? I got a balance transfer check. Did I have the bank do it? No. I want to do it. Send me checks, people. I can handle it myself. I don't want to waste your time. I know what I'm doing. And so they sent me checks and I just deposited it in my account and paid off my whatever I wanted to pay off. Right? And then before this ends, what do you think I'm going to do? Open another card, do it all over again if I want to. So this is a really easy way to do a balance transfer from a business card to a personal card. And what do you think that also does? It builds data points. Now, once I pay that back, I'm going to get a soft pull inquiry with Wells Fargo. Okay? Stated income for the card. You open a checking account, you may get pre-qualified for the card right out the gate. Take it. Once you get the card, run it up. After 6 months, get a soft pull credit limit increase, get that bad boy up there, okay? Then go for a business line of credit. I will be doing some business line of credit videos with Bank of America and Wells Fargo soon. I just got to get some more data points, and I personally want to experience it myself if I can do it. So that is how you do this, guys. You can do the same thing with a personal card, but you have to keep in mind that with a personal card, your utilization will be hit. So I recommend open a business, and guess what, guys? You could be a sole proprietor and you can get a business credit card without even having a business right away. Because guess what? You're starting your business. The moment that you make $1, you have a business. Okay? So think about that, guys. Think outside the box. This doesn't have to be complicated. Business credit card, always ask for convenience balance transfer checks. Not cash advance checks, convenience balance transfer checks. Guys, I'm going to catch you guys on the next video. Join the private Facebook group. There's crazy hacks and gems going on. Add me on Instagram. Send me a question that you have. Follow me on Instagram. We're going to be doing a ton of stuff on Instagram. And check out all the playlists. Binge watch the channel. We're doing 3 videos a day, all through December. You're not going to want to miss it, people. I'm telling you. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with somebody that needs it. Love you guys. Salute.